Hello, I'm Dr. Jeff Kingsley, and this is another episode of Riding in Cars with Researchers. If you've been following our hashtags, you've seen us using the hashtag Revolutionizing Research. Revolutionizing Research is all about making the process better of how we do research to benefit patients, physicians, and enhance how quickly we're able to help patients in need and innovate faster in healthcare. That's what revolutionizing research is about. And many times it's not about the little things we can do to make it better. Many times it's about the dramatic things we can do to make research better. So today we're going to talk about virtual clinical trials. What are virtual clinical trials? It means sending the research to the patient instead of asking the patient to come to me. How great would that be for our patients? So we've talked about research is getting harder. We're asking more of our patients in research than we've ever done in the past. There are more procedures, or more office visits, lengthier office visits, and we're asking them to go to an old-fashioned facility where they can be seen in an exam room with that physician by their side. Is that necessary today? Could we enhance that? Could we make the entire experience easier and better for our patients, and in fact benefit all of healthcare in so doing? Yes, we can. It's being done in the rest of healthcare today. People can come to your home and check your vital signs, draw your blood. Telemedicine. You can be seen through your cell phone, let alone through an actual telemedicine center in a rural area of the world. If research is getting harder and it's harder to find patients that meet criteria, then why don't we go to the patient? And it's a win for everyone involved. Let's give examples of why that would be a tremendous benefit. A friend of mine has a healthcare communications company. He writes content on certain disease states, and patients can learn more about that disease state and engage with other people with the same disorder. Migraine headaches. He has millions of people that read about migraines on his website every single day. He has 35,000 patients that have such significant migraines, and they are so engaged with their healthcare that they read content on his website more than 3 times a week and communicate with other people around the US or around the world who suffer from migraine. Those patients would love to be in a research trial. They would readily engage with that process because they want to participate in things that are going to alleviate migraine suffering and or eliminate migraines altogether. I asked him, what % of your patients live someplace where they would be able to be offered a research trial? And his answer? 2%. 2% of his patients live someplace where they could go into a migraine trial. 98% can't. If we could send research to those patients, we would be able to fully enroll a migraine trial in a matter of a month. Those patients could participate from the comfort of their own homes, and we would be able to push that migraine research out into rural corners of the US or of the world where it's so desperately needed. Identify patients through their electronic healthcare records with their consent, ship a tablet to their homes, a tablet that's enabled for that research trial, perform the consent through video, through that tablet, where I can see the patient can see me, and we can discuss in the same level of detail or more detail than if they came into my office. Go ahead and enroll that patient in a research trial, do the blood work in their own home, ship medicine to their home, do drug accountability in their home, virtually enabled physical exams and data collection like vital signs, movement. In fact, by pushing research into their home, not only can I make it more convenient on the patient, not only can I find patients from around the world who would love to participate but live in more remote areas, but also I can actually collect better data. Because by not only collecting data when the patient's in my facility, I can collect data continuously with that patient's consent on how well they're moving, how well they're getting around, the quality of their sleep. By not having to collect data at individual points in time where they came into my facility, we can enhance everything involving research. This is what revolutionizing research is. I believe that virtual clinical trials are coming. They're being experimented with today with success. I'm participating and I'm very excited. There is a movement underway to enhance how we do research. Pushing research into patients' homes benefits everybody. So, revolutionize research, virtual clinical trials, learn more. You will see it advancing, and it's going to be very cool. Thank you very much. Take care.